Welcome to the double bass and body training. It's a special video today for this kind of day. I mean, you feel just out of your life because you have a hangover, or you got your periods, or your baby cried all night long and you are just exhausted. You don't feel good in your body, you don't feel good in your brain, okay. But you still want to practice your double bass, you still want to practice your instrument or your broom, and you still want to train your body. So let's try to do something together and keep smiling. Are you ready for the first exercise? Open strings. Let's go. We start with the head. The shoulders. The second exercise is coordination between the breathing, the bow, and the body. Follow the bow. It's like you open and you close. And now you can just listen to the music and relax. Now you would like to play something nice, even if you feel not in a good shape, you want to try. So you can put all your weight on the double bass at first, and you bend your knees and you relax your hips. Okay, so you feel relaxed and you are just a little bit falling on your double bass. And now you can play stuff you want. And please play quiet. Relax your hips. Okay. And now I'm gonna play something slower. You can close your eyes, but try to don't fall asleep. Your hips, relax. Not too loud. Congratulations! You did something today! Take care, drink a lot of water, and good luck! See you later! Bye bye!